All right, guys, so we have a WS6 up here. Zach brought it up, so we're going to turn it on him and take a look at this thing and see how she sounds.
Hey guys, my name is Zach. This is my 2002 Pontiac Trans Am WS6. Right now it's still got basically an entire stock drivetrain, stock 10 volt, stock drive shaft, stock transmission, stock block, heads. It's got a BTR Stage II Cam in it, SLP lid, just the basic stuff. It's got speed engineering, 1 7/8 inch headers to an off-road wide pipe and a Corsa Catback. And that's basically about all it's got. It's got the HRE FF11s, 10.5 wides, 295 square setup. So it's pretty stock all around. I've got one braum seat in it right now, waiting on the correct seat brackets to get everything to fit right. Some different door panels, some different taillights, and that's about it. So.
All right, well, cool, man. We'll take a look at this thing and we'll get that start up and running some passes.
Sweet.
Did you hook on that that third pass? Was that supposed to be a burnout and you hooked?
No.
Okay.
No.
It was like,
I
I'm like,
weren't
oh, he's
sure.
gonna do a burnout and just went.
No, I figured you wanted the 3 and then I would do the burnout.
Oh, hell yeah, man.
That's awesome. Gonna have to clean her a little bit.
Thing's rowdy.
It's just like
This side is smoked. Good thing I run a square setup. I can put those tires in front.
God. Oh, well, hell yeah, dude. Cool. Appreciate bringing it out.
No problem.
You might want to head out soon. I don't know.
Yeah.
We're usually pretty good off, but thanks for ripping on it, man.
No problem.